And from a customer service perspective, if any of you are from a support organization, using CRM, using Salesforce, okay, it also gives you an overview of the different types of service contracts or the contractual agreements you have with this customer. What type of support are they entitled to? Can they call you 24/7, or or can they call you during the workday? Things like that. All this information is within a single page. It gives your salesperson or anyone looking at this information a 360-degree view of the customer. Okay, it's important to know everything about the customer before you have a conversation. And each time you have a conversation or you do something with the customer, be it an email, be it a meeting, okay, contractual discussion, negotiation, you log it down, or someone logs it down, so that when you, especially in a support organization, when you talk to the customer, oh, we had the 3 calls we had with you 2 days ago. How did that help you? Okay, so things like that. The customer will know how much you care about this customer, how much you actually know about this customer. Okay, that impression is really important. All right, so let me move on to an opportunity. Let me just click on the opportunity here. So for those salespeople or sales folks here, okay, so this is the time, this is the place where you will spend a lot of time in updating your sales opportunity information. Okay, so the people what this deal is about, what the next steps are. Let me click on this edit button. For the salespeople, I'm sure you don't like to spend too much time typing in information. You would rather be out there selling to a customer. So our recommendation is always just get the salesperson to put in what's the most critical information. And in this case, our recommendation is just four pieces of information. Opportunity name, account name, obviously. The close date. When do you think this will close? Maybe next month? Okay. And the different stages. This will help your forecast, help your manager understand how much further it is to go, or whether perhaps you need help from them. Okay, so we have a list of 11 stages that you can use. If you have your own methodology, you can always update this. But if I'm, right now it's at the probability of 60%. If I move to negotiation or review, it changes, the probability changes. So when you run your forecast reports, this will show up as a higher potential. Okay, so all of these are standard functionality. Your IT person doesn't have to set this up for you. So if you sign up today, tomorrow you can even start using this. Okay, so feel free to approach my sales managers on your way out today if you want to start using this system. Okay, so let me cancel this and just share with you what else you can do on this opportunity. If you work, even if your business is within Thailand itself, but you may have colleagues in, say, Chiang Mai, Phuket, or anywhere else, do you talk to them much? Or do you work with them on a specific deal much? Even if you don't, okay, we have this functionality called similar opportunities. It's like Opportunity Genius. For those of you who have used iTunes or who are on iPhone, it's like the iTunes, the Genius that if you buy an application, they will be able to suggest another application for you. So same concept. If I click on Find, it will pick up my opportunity information and then tell me which other opportunities have closed within the last 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or 12 months. Okay, and then I can see, Universal Services closed last month, okay, of 250K. So I can see who the owner is, who the salesperson is, Wendy. Okay, you can see on the left-hand side it's yellow. This tells me that this particular customer bought the same product. So if I say, okay, let me bookmark this as well. If I talk to my customer, the next time I talk to my customer, I can easily say, hey, maybe it's your competitor, Universal Services, have just recently bought from us. It helps your conversation. Or you can talk to the salesperson and ask them, what was your strategy? What pricing did you give? Or what discount level did you give? Okay, so it helps that collaboration. Okay, and related content. Salesforce is not just about sales opportunities or accounts. Okay, we have a very powerful content library as well. Today, some of your organizations may be using a file storage or some file server you have in the office. If you go out of the office, can you still access those files? Maybe not. But in Salesforce, everything is stored on Salesforce. Okay.